14 to 19. That one. That side. And we are 11 people. And this is Victoria coach. This is Victoria Station.
Spend a day looking blank out the window, all looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. Sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. I'm tired still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live.
Video.
Kaya pa naman.
Saan?
We arrived at Lansing.
Oh, picture mo na, picture, dali, picture sister, dali.
Nice weather.
Oh, come on.
So hello guys, nandito na nga kami, nakarating na kami sa bahay nila Mary. So dito muna kami tumuloy, nag-almusal. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano karami yung pagkain. Pinoy na Pinoy. Ayan. Mga Filipinos sila na front dito sa Lansing. Ayan. Super saya. After nyan, after kumain, nagpupunta kami ng dagat, naglakad kami doon. Tapos, pagdating naman ng 4 PM, umuwi na kami at ayun, start na kami mag-barbecue. So, picture!
Sayaw. Eto guys, mga dalawang dancer saka nagluluto. Taga ano to? Taga Espanya. Dumayo sila dito sa UK. Masarap na kasi yung barbecue. Ito naman yung isang vlogger namin. Ano ba niya? Ayaw ba? Ito yung dalawa pang vlogger. Taga Espanya. Vlogger. Sabay sayaw pa. Sabay tagay pa. Wow. Sana all. Mga lasinggerang vlogger. Ito naman yung isang vlogger na. Tama na. Tama na.
Kasi shorts lang.
Short lang? Sige, tama na.
Yes.
Kahit panguli na natin yan. Ha? Panguli. Para pulutan.
Nasunog na. Wala bang nagpo-post na? I-live ko nga ito.
Wala yung nag-video sa amin. Wala. Bibidyohan mo naman kami ate. Bibidyohan mo nga kami. Sasayaw. Tapusin mo muna yung barbecue mo. Marinig tayo. Dahil, tanggalin mo yan.
Tatanggalin yung ano.
Alam mo na ito lang muna tapusin natin sa magkakita ng huling. Ito.
Nangangisda.
Last na yun. Lalagay mo na ulit. Kasi baka na yung ulam yun eh.
Maraming ganun. Baka ikaw